discussed on different types of research. Okay, so we have seen that management research work, there are basically, if you consider the review based research work, then there is one kind of research work which is based on the classification of different literature on a particular topic. Okay. But in case of original research work, some specific problem is taken up and that particular problem is solved out. Okay. It may be based on using some mathematical modeling, some quantitative technique, or some qualitative technique. Okay. And in terms of mathematical modeling can be done. It can be statistical approaches. It can be optimization based approaches. Like it can be multi-criteria decision modeling based approaches. So these kinds of things we have noticed. So in majority of the cases, first the theory is built in case of hypothesis testing, then the theory is tested. Okay. And discussed some mathematical development of some mathematical model, hybridization of mathematical model, application of some mathematical tools. Those things we have already discussed. Now let's take a look at the types of data and measurement scales. I have previously told you that in case of data type, usually two different types of data are considered. One is cardinal data and another is ordinal data. In case of cardinal data, you collect the actual data or the very specific data. For example, suppose the amount of raw material consumption, the amount of water consumption, the amount of energy consumption. So these kind of data are actually cardinal data because the absolute data you take up. And in case of ordinal data, you take the responses based on some scale, like Likert scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, based on the severity of the scale. Okay. And usually you will see that 5-point Likert scale is used. Okay. Suppose 1 may represent bad, sorry, very bad, 2 may represent bad, 3 may represent moderate, 4 may represent good, 5 may represent very good. And in some cases, even 7-point scale or 9-point scale are also used. Usually 5-point scales are used to collect the responses. Apart from that, in some cases also 3-point scale may be used, like good, moderate and bad.